Hi, and welcome to Patrick Parson Workshop.
Hey there, folks.
Hey, Jimmy. We wanted to talk to folks today. Let's
Right.
say you're wanting to buy a cordless handheld power tool like a drill, sander, jigsaw.
Brad Naylor. Right.
So you compare the price, the features, accessories, power, mobility, ergonomics, weight, dependability, all that stuff, even the reviews. So now you're ready to buy, right?
I want to say yes,
No.
but I'm going to say no, because first you need to...
I would say that you need to take a step back
Right.
and think about the brand or
Right.
family
Brand.
of tools that you're entering into.
Right. Don't loan these out to your family.
No, I'm talking about like Bosch, Porter Cable, Makita, that kind of stuff.
Okay, gotcha.
So one very important consideration when you're choosing the family is the batteries and the charger.
Absolutely.
So lots of times the batteries and the charger, they're sold separately. You don't get them with the bare tool. So once you invest in that battery and charger, you may want to stick with the same brand or family of tools.
Good advice. Good advice.
And if you're making your first cordless power tool purchase, that's especially important. You want to do a little bit of research to see how broad of a selection of tools that manufacturer has that's going to use the same batteries.
Yeah, you can save some money that way.
And once you decide on a brand, it'd be nice to be able to buy a new battery for every new tool that you buy.
Yeah.
But if you
right.
can't afford that, you know you've already got one at home that's going to fit that tool.
Yeah, there it is.
And it's not hard to switch a battery out from your drill to your jigsaw.
Right, right. It's in the same family. It's going to fit.
Obviously, it can get kind of expensive to have 6 different brands of power tools and a massive bank of chargers to charge all those different tools and different batteries that you have.
Right.
So
right.
I narrowed it down myself to 2 brands, Porter Cable and Bosch. Now, are these 2 brands the best? I don't know.
True.
I do know that between the 2, there's a lot of great options, and I can buy a lot of things off the shelf at Lowe's.
Yeah, we found everything we need.
I also
there,
know
really.
that Bosch makes a lot of cordless power tools that maybe they don't carry in the store, less common stuff.
Yeah, that's right.
So I can always shop the internet if I need something that I'm not seeing there on the shelf. We also recommend you go to the store and put your hands on the tool.
Yep, get your hands
It's
on
got a
it.
security cable on it or some other device that keeps you from getting a good feel for it. Ask the associate to help. They can take it off the cord or get one out of the box for you.
Yep, good point.
I think how it feels in your hand is very important. Alright, so you may want to have spare batteries so you can keep working while you're recharging your battery. Batteries with more amp hours are going to be a little more expensive, but it may be worth it for you, especially if you're working far away from your shop and you can't get to a charger. So we hope this has been helpful. Again, I'm not recommending any certain brand. I think with any of the brands that you see here in this video, you really can't go wrong. We're just recommending that you try to stay with that family,
That's it.
and it's going to be a lot more economical for you.
Save some money, folks.
So hopefully this has helped, and thanks for joining me here, Jimmy.
Thanks for having me. Great to see you, sir.
Great to see you too, and folks, we'll see you on the next video. It's not hard to switch a battery out from your drill to your bit to It's not hard to